So, my truck exploded.
This is going on, not on shorts, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, perfect.
Sure.
So, sorry we're out of breath, y'all. His carburetor self-destructed on his knife.
You can see it's disconnected right there.
So this is a part. I don't know how it came off. It's kind of one of those things. I don't quite know yet.
From the end of the road down there,
Probably here.
we pushed it over here. Feeling pretty good, you know? How you feeling?
No, if you were on this side of the just wouldn't move. But now you're out of it, it moves.
Exactly. I've been sitting here now. Can't really push it and turn it at the same time. So we're just waiting here until my boy over there comes back. So we got the ATV, pulled it all the way here, and now we made it. So we're gonna just push it now. Put it down. There you go.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, because all they're hearing is my f***ing breathing. My nuts hurt.
You'll be fine.
Touch that and put your
Oh,
that's plastic.
problem. Right there.
Yeah, it's right here. The bolts missing. You know how it is. Dude.
What?
He didn't. So we're gonna go do a test drive on this Ford Bronco. She runs now. What happened, we got the leakage set up to the carburetor, reset back up to the carburetor, but lo and behold, her starter went out. So we replaced her starter.
This is a work of art.
It's nice and crisp and new. So we're gonna go for a test drive, and we're gonna
Test drive. Gonna see if it's gonna blow up or not.
hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully she... Well, because when I wanted you to test drive, put your foot on the damn brake. Please don't blow up. Well,
So she's still got that manual in her.
what do you mean?
Usually when that happens,
Oh, well, I know that
it kills itself at the manual.
Clutch, you know, does that. When we wanted to test drive her the first time, I was meaning to test the sticky shifting. So we'll see that right now. Yep, I knew it. Still a problem. Please don't blow up. Usually she shifts at 35 or 4. There you go. Well, other than that, it runs okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted you to look at. That problem right there.
That what?
That problem right there. You just experienced. That's what I wanted you to look at. Now, when she's been driving for a while, she calms down and shifts easier.
Then that's your issue. You gotta remember, someone did manual swap in this game.
Yeah, I know, but I've never done that before, so I don't like it. I love how it shifted in the reverse as you turn the engine on.
That's weird.
She's probably gonna shift. Maybe not. Please shift. Please shift. Please shift. There we go. Woo! Didn't like that. I bet everybody in the comments is gonna be grinding their teeth to that. Jeez, dude.
Jesus Christ, you're so all over the place.
Yes, I know. But it is top heavy, so keep that in mind.
Nah, really?
Not like me accidentally driving it into a field one time out trying to drift. Yo, bro, watch this drift.
Damn. Okay.
Looks good to me. Well, I wouldn't touch it now, it's really hot.
Nah, really? Don't.